Hey guys, how's it going? Go see Richard today, and today I'm going to quickly review this new little mini tool for those of you that are in maybe the AV or the security, or even, let's go ahead and say, the networking aspects of things where you're putting together racks and everything else. Most of the time you're going to need like a Pickwick, you're going to need a socket set, and you're going to need an Allen key set for that kind of stuff. And this doesn't even cover for when you're dealing with security bolts and all that other fun stuff. Let's quickly show you why I picked this up. Again, this was on sale for 115 Canadian. It's still pretty pricey, but Wera does make good tools. This, once again, was on sale 115 Canadian from 175, so try and get them when they're on sale if you want to go with this. Now, why did I go with this, you might ask? Well, simple reasons. There is a mini ratchet in here. This thing, that's my thumb. It's about the same size of my thumb. I do have a big thumb, but still. It has a mini extension. It has your screwdriver handle. Now, apparently you can leave this inside this package and turn it with the whole thing. I wouldn't do that. Pretty simple. This just folds up and comes off. And then you have a little screwdriver. Now, it is pretty small handle size, so you're not going to get a lot of torque on there, but for what bolts you are tightening up, if you can live with that size handle, perfect. For cameras and stuff, you don't want to go too crazy anyway, and other security items, because you don't want to strip the screws. Now, as you can see, it's got your generic essentials. You've got your 5.5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, and 13. These are pretty big because usually you're dealing with 10, or is it 7/16? I can't remember the cross reference, and then 13 or half. So you can use those for the SEA equivalent. And then if we flip this, let's show you. Let's see if I can flip it. Whoa. I might have to move something. Let's see. There. Okay. So this flips up. Why is this so sweet? We've got the adapter, so you can put it on the screwdriver or on the ratchet. You then have a couple of Torx bits right here, which are common for certain European items. And then you've got your flat blade, your Phillips. What's really cool is you can see you have your specialty, I forget what they call that, but it's almost like a JIZ screw. I'd have to look it up, but it's like a Phillips, but it has a little extra, as you can see. See how it's got the little extra blade in there? Helps against stripping. And again, more Torx, Allens, and security, which is huge for if you are in with cameras and stuff, because a lot of those will use security. If you do projectors or any commercial mount TVs and stuff like that, you're going to need these. Now, I should also say that this is huge for those of you that are going off-roading. Why? Because you can do a lot with this kit. Now, I wouldn't expect to be changing an alternator or something with this, as that little ratchet is not going to take those bolts out. But let's say for a lot of your interior panels, or if you do have to, let's say, change a headlight bulb or something, where you're just popping off those like little plastic inner fender well clips or other things like that, this would be perfect for small automotive stuff. Anything that actually requires you changing mechanical engine components, chances are it's not going to pull it off. Sensor, yes, you could pull off a sensor screw with one of these. You could probably pull off an intake manifold too. But again, if you're doing that, I would suggest you torque a lot of those new plastic intake manifolds with a torque wrench. Otherwise, you're going to stretch them. Anyways, like I said, it is a great little multi-tool. Do I recommend it? Yes, but get it on sale. I don't know if I could expenditure $200 on this, but for $115 for the amount it comes with the security bolts, I could definitely do that. And I do like, once again, that little ratchet. If you've been in mechanical situations where you need a very small ratchet, that thing's handy. And I think just to get a small ratchet like that of good quality is probably about 50 bucks alone, let alone getting all the different bits and whatnot. Anyways, I hope this review helped you out. Tried to keep it under 5 minutes here. Press the like if you enjoyed it, and again, 10 out of 10 would recommend this thing because it could replace all of this. I would still be having these tools handy because there are going to be times when you need in between sizes or more variety. Doesn't technically replace, it's just if you could grab this and get into about 90% of your situations, you'll be fine.